Are you struggling to access your VueJS store data inside the mounted lifecycle hook? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to unravel the mystery together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you know the data is there, but it just won't show up when you need it. You're not the only one who's been in this situation, and it's a common hurdle in VueJS development. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, "Why is my current name empty in the mounted hook, even though it works in computed properties?" This is a great question, and it highlights a common issue when working with VueJS and Vuex. So what could be going wrong here? When you call this store.dispatch to fetch users, it might take some time for the data to be updated in the store. This means that when you try to access current name immediately after dispatching, it may still be empty. Stay with me. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to ensure your data is ready when you need it, so you won't miss out on any important updates. To begin resolving this issue, the user should ensure that the data from the store is being fetched correctly before accessing it. This means waiting for the fetch user's action to complete. Next, the user can utilize a promise or a callback to ensure that the data is available before trying to access the current name variable. This can be done by modifying the fetch user's action to return a promise. After ensuring that the fetch user's action returns a promise, the user should then call this action in the mounted lifecycle hook and access the current name variable inside the promises then method. Finally, the user should verify that the current name variable is being updated correctly in the store after the fetch user's action completes. This can be done by checking the Vuex state after the data is fetched. Fun fact, did you know that VueJS was created by a former Google engineer? It's amazing how far it has come and how many developers rely on it today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue may be related to scope. The user emphasizes the importance of initializing the store within the mounted lifecycle hook to ensure proper access. The user also points out that trying to access the store outside of the mounted scope can lead to undefined errors. They provide a contrasting example to illustrate this point. And here's that quick tip I promised. Always ensure your data fetching is complete before accessing the data. This simple practice can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By using async await, you can access your store data reliably in the mounted hook. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and remember to keep experimenting with VueJS.